Hi, welcome to Kiddo's Corral. Today I'm going to be sharing what I am cooking in my kitchen and what's for dinner. I love to cook, so I hope that this video inspires you. I'm browning up some hot Italian sausage, which I'm going to be adding to some boiled potatoes. And I've got some crusty bread that I'm going to throw into the oven. And I've added in some heavy cream, some spinach. Oh, this is so good. This is my sausage, potato, and spinach soup that I make quite frequently, especially in the fall. This is really, really yummy comfort food. I top with just a little bit of cheese. There's nothing like soup and crusty bread. And I'm also pairing this with my coconut sparkling water, which I have a feeling you will see a lot of in this video. Now, I went out to IHOP with family, so I got the breakfast sampler and a cup of coffee. I also was bad this week, and I went to Taco Bell, but I'm showing you here that I love this guacamole salsa from On the Border. I also did some pasta with some garlic toast, and again, my coconut water. Really, really delicious. And I made some Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes, and some cheesy broccoli. Now I'm frying up some giant hamburgers, as you can see here, with onions and mushrooms. I paired it with some cheese and pickles and some crunchy French fries. Now you're looking at my chopped head of cabbage. All I did was chop it up and add it into a 9x13 pan. I've got some brown ground beef, some salsa, some taco seasoning, some corn. Sometimes I add beans, but this time I did the corn. I'm just going to add it right on top of that cabbage and cover it and cook it. I'm boiling some red potatoes. Ronnie loves red potatoes, and I make them real simple. There's my casserole. Oh, it is so, so good. And I paired it with my red potatoes that I just drained and add butter, parsley, and salt and pepper. There it is on the plate. This is a quick and easy meal, and it is loved by everyone. Now, lastly, I'm making Ronnie's favorite, and this is my chicken fajitas. Nothing gets better than good chicken fajitas on top of grilled tortillas, fully loaded. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope this inspires you. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.